Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did these Beetlejuice nails for Halloween. So if you guys have not seen my character videos before, I will go ahead and link that playlist down below. I've done quite a few Disney characters such as Dumbo and The Lion King, which came out really awesome. But when I do my character nails, I start by penciling on the outline as my sketch. Then I use that as a guide, and I go in with my Madame Glam's Perfect Black and I do the outline, and I just follow the penciling that I did and just very carefully and as thin as I can try to do the outline. But this is like the first step in the character design. The outline does not have to be perfect. It's more of a guide for what's to come later. And I do apologize ahead of time about some of the footage, just the angle of how this was filmed and the Swarovski crystals on my thumb, on my other hand, kind of adds like a weird glare and shine in the camera. So I apologize, I had too many crystals on my thumb for the filming of this. So once the outline is completely done, I do a full cure and then I do wipe off the tacky layer. And now we're going to use this stenciling as a coloring book basically, and we're going to color it in. So first I'm going to start off with Madame Glam's Mimosa, and I actually mixed this with some of Perfect White to create like a light baby yellow. And this is going to be Beetlejuice's hair color. Then I do go in with Mimosa by itself, just the yellow, and I'm going to use this as the color of his eyes. And do keep in mind that I am flash curing in between each color, just so that way nothing moves and I don't mess anything up. Now I'm going to go in with Madame Glam's Girl Power. This is a bright purple shade. I'm going to use this as the color of like his eyelid. And I am also going to use this color for his tongue as well. And now I'm going to go in and do the color of his teeth, which is kind of like a greenish yellow, kind of gross teeth color. And so I did mix a few colors together. I mixed Early Bird, Honeydew, I put in a little bit of Mimosa, which is that yellow shade, and then I did put in a tiny bit of black just to give it that like grunge green kind of color. Next I'm going in with Madame Glam's Plum Addict. This is a deep dark purple shade. I'm going to use this as the inside color of his mouth. Next I'm going in with Madame Glam's Light Lilac, which is a light lilac shade, and this is going to be the color of his skin. And now I'm going in with Madame Glam's Perfect White. This is going to be the background color. And I do fill this in like the rest of the nail, but you just got to be careful getting up close to the cuticle and then around the sides. And after I have the background color on there, this nail is fully colored in, so I give it a full cure. Then I go in and take the tacky layer off. And then now I'm going to go in with Madame Glam's Perfect Black, and I'm going to create some striping on the background. And after I have the stripes done on the background, I go back in and do my outlining again. This is where you really want to perfect and get the lines really nice and crisp on the character. And now the character nail is complete. Beetlejuice is fully done, so we can move on to the rest of the nails of the design. So I'll be using Light Elegance's London Fog, which is a medium grayish purple color, really pretty, from last year's fall collection. And I paint this on my pinky and my middle finger. Then I go in with Madame Glam's Perfect White, and I paint this on my pointer finger and my thumb. Next, I'm going in with Light Elegance's Poppy Seed, which is this beautiful, deep purple glitter color. I love this one. It's from this year's fall collection. And I go ahead and paint that on top of the nails I've already done purple. And then I do go ahead and do a second coat of the white. And here I'm going on the white nails, and I've already removed the tacky layer, and I'm going in and adding those black stripes to the nail. Now I'm going to go in with Light Elegance's Tennis Anyone, which is this neon green. Love this shade. And I'm going to add some green ooze dripping down the pointer finger. And now I'm going to add some bling to my thumb. So I will be using my Stay Put jelly from Daily Charm. And the crystals I'll be using today is Paradise Shine, which is a purple transition into a green, as well as just Fern Green, which is just a medium green shade. And then I didn't have enough crystals in just the clear shade, so I pulled out my rhinestone wheel for the clear. And starting in the corner, I just put some of that Stay Put jelly down, and I start with the largest crystal right in the corner, and I just move my way out of the corner and add some different colored crystals and get smaller crystals as we're going out. And now it's time for top coat. Today I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And I do go in and do a second coat of top coat on top of the character design as well as the white stripes. And so here's how my nails came out, and I think they came out amazing. They definitely scream Beetlejuice, just like so fun, perfect for Halloween. I've done one last year or maybe the year before of a Beetlejuice, but it was more plain. I'll insert a picture of that one. And I think a long time ago, like a few years ago, I did a Beetlejuice tutorial. If not, it was just one I had done, and you can definitely tell the difference of that old one versus these new ones. But you guys will have to let me know down below how you liked how these came out, and if you like me incorporating character nails into holiday nails as well. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already. And stay tuned for some more spooky Halloween nail tutorials coming up. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.